Today we're unveiling the giants of the mining world, the most powerful and awe-inspiring mining machines ever built. Imagine towering behemoths that chew through mountains and move Earth at a mind-boggling scale. From the legendary Bagger 293, the colossal bucket wheel excavator that stands as tall as skyscrapers, to the staggering Caterpillar 797F, a dump truck so vast it could carry the weight of 1,000 elephants in a single load. We'll dive into the engineering marvels, cutting-edge technology, and raw power that make these machines the backbone of the mining industry. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer scale and capability of these giants. Let's dig in. The Metso Lokotrack LT220D isn't just any ordinary crushing unit. This powerhouse features a combination of a high-capacity cone crusher and a triple-deck screen, both mounted on the same chassis. It's designed to deliver high precision and unparalleled efficiency. With a crushing capacity of up to 500 tons per hour, the LT220D is built to handle the toughest materials and the most demanding conditions. Its versatility in both aggregate and mining operations is unparalleled. Compared to older models, the LT220D offers up to 30% better fuel efficiency and 20% lower operating costs. This makes it not just a powerhouse, but an economical choice for mining companies. Engineered with advanced Metso IC or intelligent controller automation, the Lokotrack LT220D ensures optimal performance and ease of use. Operators get real-time information to make data-driven decisions, enhancing productivity and safety on site. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe for more colossal machine videos. This marvel of engineering is a glimpse into the future of mining. Designed to operate autonomously, the Scania cabless automated prototype truck eliminates the need for a driver's cab, optimizing both safety and efficiency. Built with advanced sensors and artificial intelligence, this machine can navigate complex mining environments with precision. Its rugged build and powerful engines make it capable of hauling massive loads, even in the toughest conditions. The integration of cutting-edge technology means this truck can operate 24/7, significantly boosting productivity and reducing operational costs for mining companies. Meet the Komatsu D575A, the world's largest and most powerful bulldozer ever built, an absolute titan in the realm of mining machines. Standing at an astounding 16 feet tall and stretching over 38 feet long, this beast weighs a staggering 310,000 pounds. Powered by a colossal 1,150 horsepower engine, the D575A can move up to 90 cubic yards of material per pass. Equipped with a 24-foot wide blade and a giant single-shank ripper, the D575A specializes in massive earth-moving tasks, making it indispensable for large-scale mining operations. Its incredible pushing power and durability allow it to operate in the harshest of environments, from bituminous sands to rocky terrains. Despite its immense size, the Komatsu D575A offers a surprisingly comfortable operator cabin, equipped with modern controls, ensuring that handling this monster is a manageable task. Whether it's building roads, reclaiming land, or carving out mines, the Komatsu D575A remains unmatched, showcasing human engineering at its finest. The Atlas Copco Scooptram ST14 is a powerhouse, featuring a 14-ton articulated loader designed for medium-sized operations in underground hard rock mines. Its robust design and advanced technology make it a leader in both productivity and safety. Equipped with a state-of-the-art operator cabin, it offers unmatched comfort and control. The ergonomic layout minimizes operator fatigue, while the sophisticated monitoring systems ensure optimal performance. With a high-capacity hydraulic system, the ST14 provides smooth and precise operations. Its load-sensing hydraulics adjust flow based on demand, improving efficiency and fuel consumption. Powering this beast is a 277-horsepower engine that complies with stringent emission standards. It not only delivers exceptional power, but also reduces environmental impact. Meet the powerhouse of underground mining, the Normet Multitec MF100SD. This beast is specifically designed for multifunctional applications in challenging underground environments. With its compact yet robust design, the MF100SD stands out for its versatility. It can handle everything from concrete spraying to material transport, thanks to its modular structure. Equipped with an intuitive control system, this machine ensures maximum efficiency. Operators can easily switch between tasks, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. One of its key features is an advanced concrete spraying system. This not only speeds up the stabilization process, but also enhances safety for miners. Under the hood, a powerful diesel engine meets stringent emission standards, providing both performance and environmental care. Whether it's mining, tunneling, or construction, the Multitech MF100SD is built to conquer the most demanding tasks. It brings the perfect blend of power, flexibility, and safety to any underground operation. Standing at a towering 22 feet tall, the Komatsu Gen 3 L2350 is built to dominate the harshest mining environments. With a staggering bucket capacity of 53 cubic yards, it can lift over 72 tons in a single pass, making it an essential asset in mining operations. Powered by a 2300 horsepower diesel engine, the L2350 doesn't just move material, it moves mountains. The operator's cabin offers cutting-edge controls and unparalleled visibility, ensuring maximum efficiency and safety. The Gen 3 series represents decades of innovation, evolving through 3 generations to become the behemoth you see today. And it's not just about power. Komatsu has integrated advanced fuel efficiency and emission control technologies, aligning power with environmental responsibility. Designed for supreme versatility, the Normet Variomec XS115PER is a true powerhouse in small-profile mining operations. It boasts a scalable drive system that maximizes torque and efficiency, perfectly suited for tight, underground environments. Its modular design allows for easy customization. Whether it's scaling, charging, or rock reinforcement, the Variomec XS115PER adapts seamlessly. Imagine a Swiss Army knife, but for mining. My favorite feature? The dual-axis boom. It offers exceptional reach and maneuverability, ensuring no corner is left untouched. Plus, with advanced operator control systems, it promises safety and precision. Since Normet's founding over 50 years ago, they've been pushing innovation boundaries. The Variomec XS115PER continues this legacy, revolutionizing how we mine smarter and safer. The Atlas Copco MT2010 is no ordinary mining truck. This beast is designed for one purpose: to maximize productivity in the harshest underground environments. Standing at an imposing height and boasting a payload capacity of 20 metric tons, this machine is a true marvel of engineering. Equipped with a robust, fuel-efficient engine, the MT2010 is built for longevity and reliability. Its ergonomic cap design ensures operator comfort during prolonged shifts, enhancing performance and safety. Its powertrain and advanced hydraulics deliver seamless operation, even in the most restrictive underground conditions. The four-wheel drive ensures exceptional maneuverability, essential for navigating narrow mining tunnels. This machine isn't just about muscle, it's smart too. Advanced onboard diagnostics and monitoring systems provide real-time data to operators, ensuring optimal performance and quick issue resolution. The Normet Variomec XS040 isn't just any mining vehicle. It's an engineering marvel designed for the toughest conditions. This multi-purpose machine can handle everything from scaling and drilling to transporting heavy loads, making it an indispensable asset in underground mining. With a powerful 200 kilowatt engine, the Variomec XS040 is built to haul loads up to 40,000 kilograms. Its modular design allows for different attachments like concrete mixers, fuel tanks, and personnel carriers, making it incredibly versatile. The operator's cabin isn't just about comfort, it's equipped with state-of-the-art controls that offer precision and safety, ensuring efficiency even in the most challenging environments. The compact dimensions of the Variomec XS040 facilitate easy maneuverability in confined spaces. Coupled with its robust build, this machine is designed to tackle even the most difficult terrains. Meet the Sandvik LH-X21, the behemoth of underground loaders designed to conquer the toughest mining operations. This colossal machine boasts a 21-ton payload capacity, making it a titan in the subterranean world. Built for efficiency and durability, the LH-621 is powered by a formidable 352 kilowatt engine. The LH-621 is powered by a formidable 352 kilowatt engine. Its robust frame and advanced hydraulics ensure seamless operation even under extreme conditions. With a bucket capacity of up to 14 cubic meters, this giant effortlessly scoops and transports vast amounts of material, speeding up the mining process like never before. Comfort and safety are paramount. The LH-621 features an ergonomic cabin design with state-of-the-art controls, ensuring operators can work efficiently and safely for extended periods. Designed for large-scale mining operations, the Sandvik D75KS boasts a maximum bit load of 36,000 pounds, ensuring it can penetrate the toughest rock formations with ease. Equipped with a Caterpillar diesel engine producing 755 horsepower, this behemoth can drill holes up to 229 feet deep and 11 inches in diameter, making it an essential tool for open-pit mining. Its sturdy frame and advanced rig control system offer unparalleled precision and operator safety, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Plus, with its automated pipe handling, it minimizes manual labor, making operations smoother and more efficient. The Sandvik D75KS isn't just about raw power. It's designed with sustainability in mind, reducing emissions and operating more efficiently than its predecessors. The Bucyrus 8750 is a behemoth specifically designed for surface mining operations. Standing as tall as a 20-story building, this machine is an epitome of engineering prowess. Its colossal boom stretches up to 425 feet, and it can move 120 cubic yards of material in a single scoop. That's enough to fill an Olympic-sized swimming pool in just a few swings. The Dragline's operator, seated in a high-tech cab, controls this giant with precision. Advanced systems allow for exceptional efficiency and productivity, ensuring that every movement is precise. The heart of the 8750 is its bucket, capable of lifting nearly 165 tons of material at once. This muscle is crucial for removing overburden and accessing valuable minerals. From Australia to North America, the Bucyrus 8750 plays a pivotal role in mining operations globally. Its sheer power and efficiency make it indispensable in the industry. Meet the Bagger 293, the Titan of Earth, the world's largest and most powerful land vehicle ever built. Standing at an awe-inspiring 315 feet tall and 738 feet long, this German-made behemoth is taller than the Statue of Liberty and as long as over 2 football fields combined. Engineered by Tackraft, Bagger 293's primary mission is to strip mine lignite coal at an unprecedented scale. This colossal bucket wheel excavator can move an astonishing 240,000 cubic meters of earth daily. That's the equivalent of nearly 96 Olympic-sized swimming pools. Bagger 293 operates with a mind-boggling 18 buckets, each capable of holding over 6.6 cubic meters of material, making it not just a machine, but a marvel of human ingenuity and engineering prowess. With a weight of 14,200 tons, this monstrous machine requires a crew of just 5 to operate it, thanks to its state-of-the-art automation and control systems. So, the next time you hear about the giants of industry, remember Bagger 293, the unrivaled champion of earth-moving machinery and a true testament to what human engineering can achieve. Standing at a massive 25 feet tall and stretching 50 feet in length, the Caterpillar 797F is a true giant in the mining field. Under its hood, the 797F houses a V20 engine that pumps out an astonishing 4,000 horsepower. This titan can haul up to 400 tons of material in a single load. With its immense payload capacity, the 797F reduces the number of cycles needed to move vast amounts of earth and ore, significantly boosting productivity and efficiency. Designed for durability and ease of maintenance, the 797F features modular components and advanced monitoring systems, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum operational efficiency. Built to tackle the toughest terrains, the Caterpillar 797F boasts adaptive suspension and robust construction, making it a favorite in the harshest mining environments. The Caterpillar 797F isn't just a truck, it's a testament to human engineering and ingenuity. Stay tuned for more colossal machines. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping content.